Hello friends, Master Coding open new doors to skills and opportunities. Step into the future and become a top programmer for just 999 BDT. Digital Innovation Hub proudly presents a cutting-edge coding course designed to kickstart your digital career with confidence and expertise. Key features: 10 sessions, 1 session per week for optimal learning. Live classes, interactive online live sessions with instructors. Flexible schedule, classes from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Final timing to be decided with participants. Exclusive access only for 5 students per batch to ensure personalized attention. What will gain? Laptop computer from foundational programming, knowledge to advanced skills, a solid grasp of coding basics, the essentials of website development, hands-on experience with JavaScript programming, problem solving and project building expertise. Why this course is perfect for you? Learn directly from experienced instructors in real time, gain practical knowledge through real-world projects and examples, progress from a beginner to a confident programmer with ease. How to get started? Limited spots. Don't wait, secure your seat today. Reach out to us for more details via inbox or WhatsApp 01914 908325. Classes begin this month. Ready to start your coding journey? Digital Innovation Hub, your ultimate partner in building digital skills. Join us and start now. Build your career dream today.